Did you know that paprika, the vibrant red spice found in kitchens around the world, contains more antioxidants per gram than blueberries? That's right. This humble seasoning packs a powerful punch when it comes to protecting your body from harmful free radicals. Often overlooked, paprika is far more than just a dash of color or a touch of flavor on your plate. It is emerging as a true superstar in the world of spices, and its daily health benefits might just surprise you. Paprika has been used for centuries, but in recent years, its popularity has soared, transcending cultural boundaries and finding its way into countless cuisines. From smoky Spanish varieties to sweet Hungarian blends, paprika's unique taste and versatility have made it a staple in kitchens worldwide. But beyond its culinary charm, paprika is gaining recognition for the remarkable ways it can support your health when incorporated into your daily routine. Many people think of spices as simple flavor enhancers, meant to make food tastier and more appealing. However, this common misconception overlooks the profound nutritional value and health-promoting properties hidden within these vibrant seasonings. Paprika, especially, stands out among spices for its rich array of nutrients and compounds that do far more than tantalize your taste buds. Let's delve into the specific health benefits that make paprika a smart choice for daily consumption. First and foremost, paprika is packed with antioxidants, compounds that help neutralize damaging free radicals in your body. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause cellular damage, contribute to aging, and increase the risk of chronic diseases. The antioxidants in paprika, such as carotenoids, vitamin E and vitamin C, play an essential role in defending your cells and keeping your body resilient. Carotenoids are the pigments responsible for paprika's brilliant red hue. These include beta-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin, all of which have been linked to eye health and reduced risk of certain types of cancer. Beta-carotene, in particular, is converted by your body into vitamin A, which is vital for maintaining healthy vision, a robust immune system, and glowing skin. Lutein and zeaxanthin help filter harmful blue light and protect the delicate tissues of your eyes from oxidative stress. Paprika is also a potent source of vitamin E, a fat-soluble antioxidant that supports healthy skin, promotes wound healing, and helps maintain a strong immune system. By incorporating paprika into your daily diet, you're giving your body an extra dose of this essential vitamin, which can be especially beneficial for protecting your cells from oxidative damage. Vitamin C is another noteworthy nutrient found in paprika. Known for its immune-boosting properties, vitamin C helps your body fight off infections, supports the production of collagen for healthy skin and joints, and aids in the absorption of iron from plant-based foods. Including paprika in your meals can help you meet your daily vitamin C requirements, especially if you're looking to strengthen your body's natural defenses. But the benefits of a paprika don't stop at antioxidants and vitamins. This spice contains a variety of bioactive compounds with powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation has been linked to numerous health issues, including heart disease, arthritis, and even certain cancers. Paprika's anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce the risk of these conditions by suppressing the production of inflammatory markers in the body. In fact, studies have shown that the capsaicin found in some varieties of paprika can help alleviate pain and reduce inflammation, making it a valuable ally for those seeking natural ways to support their health. Paprika may also play a role in boosting your metabolism. Capsaicin, the compound responsible for the mild heat in certain types of paprika, has been shown to increase thermogenesis, the process by which your body burns calories to produce heat. This can help support weight management efforts by enhancing calorie expenditure, even at rest. While the effect may be modest, every little bit counts when it comes to maintaining a healthy metabolism and achieving your wellness goals. To put these benefits into perspective, let's look at a compelling statistic. A study published in the journal Plant Foods for Human Nutrition found that regular consumption of paprika significantly increased antioxidant levels in participants' blood. Researchers observed measurable improvements in markers of oxidative stress, indicating that adding paprika to your daily meals can have a tangible impact on your body's ability to fend off disease and maintain overall health. Moreover, paprika is a treasure trove of minerals such as iron, magnesium, and potassium. Iron is essential for transporting oxygen throughout your body, while magnesium supports muscle function and energy production. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure and fluid balance. By sprinkling paprika on your dishes, you're not only enhancing flavor, but also contributing to the essential mineral intake your body needs for optimal functioning. Another fascinating aspect of paprika is its potential to support heart health. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds in paprika have been linked to reduced risk factors for cardiovascular disease, such as lower LDL cholesterol and improved blood vessel function. By making paprika a regular part of your diet, you're taking a proactive step toward maintaining a healthy heart. Let's not forget the digestive benefits. Paprika can help stimulate the production of saliva and digestive juices, promoting better digestion and nutrient absorption. This can be particularly helpful for those who experience sluggish digestion or want to optimize their gut health. In summary, paprika is much more than a simple spice. It's a nutritional powerhouse that offers a wide range of health benefits. From its impressive antioxidant content to its anti-inflammatory properties, vitamins, minerals, and metabolism-boosting effects, paprika deserves a place at your table every day. By using paprika in soups, stews, marinades, salads, and even sprinkled over eggs or roasted vegetables, you can easily harness its health-promoting potential and add a layer of vibrant flavor to your meals. So the next time you reach for paprika, remember that you're doing more than just seasoning your food. You're giving your body a boost of nutrients, supporting your immune system, protecting your heart, and helping your metabolism work efficiently, all with a simple sprinkle of this remarkable spice. If you found these insights helpful and want to learn more about the hidden health benefits of everyday foods, be sure to subscribe to the channel. You'll get expert tips, fascinating facts, and delicious ideas to make every meal a step toward better health. Don't miss out. Subscribe now and join our community of health-conscious food lovers.